Hey traders! Worldcoin is up 15% this week and trading around 0.27 cents with strong 24-hour volume showing solid momentum. Now, the big question is this the start of the next big pump or just another trap before a pullback? There's a growing bullish outlook around WLD, especially with increasing hype in the AI sector. Many traders believe this could be the beginning of a stronger rally. But what do you think? Pump or trap? Drop your opinion in the comments. We've just shared our latest Worldcoin price prediction, key support levels, and potential targets on our Patreon page. The tester plan is only $10, a simple way to see if our trading style fits you. Check the link in the description and don't miss out. And as always, do your own research. This is not financial advice.